Hello everyone, welcome back to my little series of all about knives. So what we have here is the first pocket knife that I ever made. And it's probably good 30 some odd years old. And the story behind this one is my dad made a barbecue and he made these stainless steel skewers. And I actually took one of those skewers, cut a piece off, and I made this blade. And it all started out with I had a spring from a broken pocket knife, and I said, let me see if I can build a knife around it. And it has walnut handles. It's got nickel silver pins, brass liners. So basically I made the blade, the handles, the pins, the liners, and not the spring. But it was the first one I ever made. Clip point, kind of reminiscent of a Barlow. Got great walk and talk. And it fits nice in the hand. Nice little compact pocket knife. So there you go. The first folder I ever made. Thanks everyone for watching. You know I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.